How to fix Telegram app username not found. So if you want to fix your Telegram app username not found, then what you need to do is, if you are using your Telegram, you just need simply remove it from your background at first. After that, just go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to search for Telegram on your Play Store, and then if you have any updates on your Telegram, just go and update it. And once you updated your Telegram, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then go back and then you need to tap and hold on to your Telegram application. And you will find the app info section. Tap on the app info. Once you're on your app info, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache. And once you're on it, here you will have clear cache. You need to just go and clear your cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you need to go back and then open up your permissions. After opening your permissions, you need to just go and allow the permissions, like the necessary permissions. And after allowing your permissions, you can go back and then remove these settings and everything and just simply go and restart your device. And after restarting, go back to your Telegram and search, and you'll find the username. Make sure that you're entering your correct username or using your correct username. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.